We'll guide you through how to download Excel file. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once it is ready, decide the source of the Excel file you want to download, whether it comes from a browser, email, or cloud storage. If you are downloading from a browser, open your web browser first. Then you can directly type fragilisstatishindex.org in the address bar to find Excel files available for download. After that, go to the website where the Excel file is available and locate the download link or button for the Excel file. Make sure the file format is either .xlsx or .xls before proceeding. Next, click the download button or link and wait for the download process to start. Wait until the download is fully completed before moving to the next step. Then, look at the top right corner of your browser to find the download icon and click it to open the recent download history. From there, find the Excel file you just downloaded in the list and click Show in Folder to open its location. After that, the file will appear in your Downloads folder and the File Explorer window will open automatically. Locate the Excel file inside the Downloads section and double-click the file to open it in Microsoft Excel. Wait until the file loads completely in Excel, and if a security warning appears, click Enable Editing so you can access and modify the file. Carefully review the contents of the file, check if all data is displayed correctly, and cross-check the data to ensure there are no errors. If needed, edit the data accordingly. Finally, click the File menu on the top left and select Save As to save the file again in a preferred location. After clicking Save As, you will see several folder options appear on your screen, such as Documents, Desktop, or other locations on your computer. Take a moment to choose a folder that is easy for you to access later. You can also create a new folder if you want to organize your files better. Then, rename the file if needed so it has a clear and recognizable name. Once everything is set, click Save to confirm.